Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, dito tayo sa Zip World. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung people. Sandali lang. Alright, sis here. So ito yung parking. This one here. There's plenty of parking. Welcome to Zip World. There's that.
I don't know, do you?
I don't know.
Let me get your car. Why should we eat apple?
So when I say left
Is it wet? Yung view guys, oh ito yung view, makikita mo dito sa taas. Anak, I feel dizzy, oy. Wait lang anak ko. Oh my god, is moving. So yun. Doon tayo galing sa taas. There. No, here. Oh yeah. Ha, yeah. Ikan sila dito guys, oh. Picnic. Maganda sana dito pag mainit yung panahon. Ngayon kasi naulan kasi kaya maputik siya. Ang dumi ng aking damit, oy. Isa pa. Yan guys, oh. Connect siya guys. Doon pa, oh. Connect siya.
Exactly.
Ito talaga. Ano? Isa. Tignan natin yung isa.
No, that's the idea. Having fun and getting dirty.
Tapos na guys, so parang dalawa lang ata pinuntahan namin kasi ano guys, maraming tao, so kailangan mong maghintay ng like half an hour, yung iba 1 hour, so parang there's no point. Kaya tapos na kami guys. So grabe, pawis na pawis ako. Malamig ngayon pero pawisan ako dahil pag pumunta ka doon sa mga rides nila, talagang maano ka din, papawisan ka din. So thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye!